To take a temperature and humidity reading, first hold down the S button whilst turning the instrument on, at which point the display will show you heat. You then need to release all the buttons. You will see that the instrument will then display the current temperature in degrees Celsius, with the display followed by the symbol for degrees C. The instrument will then display the current relative humidity in percentage, followed by the symbol for the percentage relative humidity. These four displays will cycle until the instrument turns itself off after 30 seconds, or is manually turned off with the power button. The sensor used for these readings is located next to the sampling port, so please remember to avoid touching the sensor when the instrument is in use. The sensor is accurate within 3% for relative humidity and 0.4 degrees Celsius for temperature, within the operational limits for the instrument.